Back with another video. Today I will play some different games instead of today we will do some drawing games because I'm not here to play other games like other people do. I can't play Ultimate Word games like Ultimate Word games because I got problems with it. Is I can't do anything for now. So this is why I'm at Pixel Art, because I'm gonna do some drawing for tonight's video. Because I'm not here to like be me or anything. I'm just gonna say for moment. So I make videos every single Thursdays. So today I'm gonna make 2 videos all day because I will be making videos by 2 o'clock. So yeah. This is my drawing that I was making earlier. So yeah. Don't worry about it. So I'm here gonna pick a layer color blue because okay. You want me to see drawings? Okay. Okay, here's the question. I need to pick a different color because I don't really want to look at my color green. Yeah. Okay. What I'm not just looking at is aha. What do you guys think? Very cool, isn't it? So I'm actually like picking up some different colors for now. So the reason why I do YouTube videos every single day, except because I don't want anyone to make fun of my YouTube videos, because otherwise, right. So I'm here to like be doing some. Okay, so I'm here like when I think I'm drawing, I'm here to do like right here, right here, right here. So if anybody said, Vinny, how's your day going? It's looking good. Today's was okay. Yesterday different, except for my dad was, shut down his Facebook. So do not tell the secret. Oh yeah. So if I had to say it, I'm not going to say it now. That. So yeah. So okay, so I draw 1, 2. Then I'll draw. Oh my god. These are drawing people's faces for that reason. So yeah. So these are what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the color to the is yellow for eyes. And the mouth goes right. We'll change it to blue and it goes mouth right here. And I'm gonna pick a different kind of cameras with eyes of it, the YouTube channel. Oh, if you make that eye like that, I need to get removed the color. So here we go. So what do you think of the smiles? Yeah, it's looking okay. Since I haven't done pixel art for 2 years to or 1 year. Yeah, stuff. I'll do. So I haven't been done pixel art for 2 years since I was in there. I was doing some sort as a pixel art in my Chromebook once. It feels okay. Since my YouTube channel can't go deleted. Yeah, I felt bad. And I was stuff that I can't talk to right now. Reason why my mics look like that and my laptop because I forgot to bring my microphone from the other downstairs at the upstairs house. Forgot to do that, so yeah. So what I'm gonna be able to do is do like this. Do like this. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 3, and 4. These are stuff that I make it to next to the other Uno stuff. Like Uno, people, I can't play Uno on my main account on my Xbox side because, because there's glitches going on. That's why I can't play on my account. Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to try out to pink. I don't like how pink, so I'm picking a different color for now. Is this color orange? Thank you, Super Sports Man. Where'd you go? Nice. And next one I'm gonna pick a very dark color is this. Is a drawing going on right here? If I had draw like that, he's all drawing like it, hey man, it's just like a word game that talking about it. And means a spell with an 8. Ha, it seems to be and with an N here and these pins. Yeah, I'm not allowed to say bad words on the high school because, yeah, shouldn't say that. Shouldn't say it in the Cecil for birthdays. So how's my school holidays going? Yeah, it's been alright. It's already finished since 4 days ago. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to do some busy up to my YouTube videos. What do you think? That's looking like a sad face in that. So yeah. So we're gonna add the last one is draw a circle, draw a square, draw the eye. What do you think of that? So I hope you guys enjoy Pixar video. Or before I do that, So bad my mic stopped working. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Peace.